Are you playing with the magnets on the refrigerator? Is that a magnet? There you go. Yeah, did you stick the magnet on the fridge? You guys, it only sticks one way, sweetie. Yeah. Turn it around. There we go. There you go. Yay. Yeah, yay. Good job.